Hello, I'm Thomas, and I'm a program manager here at Cominfo. In this short video, I'd like to share our involvement at Community Food Bank of New Jersey. As a vital lifeline for individuals and families facing food insecurity, our client, a Community Food Bank of New Jersey, faced numerous challenges in meeting the diverse needs of their constituents, such as donation and distribution, network and partnerships, and inventory and program management. Recognizing the potential of analytics to address these challenges, the food bank partnered with Cominfo on a transformative journey to leverage data as a strategic asset. The impact of analytics on the food bank's operations and community outreach was profound, empowering them to make a tangible difference in the lives of those they've served by improved efficiency and effectiveness, enhanced community engagement, and most of all, sustainable impact. The success story of Community Food Bank illustrates the transformative power of analytics in addressing complex social challenges and making a positive impact on people's lives. If you're prepared to empower your enterprise with a data-driven approach, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us.